Hey guys, welcome to my moving vlog, the third one. I'm in my new room. I'm getting ready for the day. So for today, I'm taking Coco to the groomers. Zach and Hannah are here, so we're gonna get breakfast. And I'm just gonna be doing more moving stuff. I'm gonna actually get ready for the first time in like days. I'm on like, you know when your hair just needs a haircut and styling so bad, but you don't even realize it until it's really horrible. I literally can't do anything with my hair, like not even putting it back looks good. So I've really got to figure that one out, but my priority is getting Coconut groomed. So I haven't used this in so long. I don't remember if I even like it. I like kind of want to use it because I'm like pretty much out of everything else. Update of this Artiste brush. If you guys watched my latest Get Ready With Me, I'm literally obsessed with it. It is the best thing ever. Like, how did you get an air mattress that small? Literally?
Honestly, I don't know. I just kept folding and it kept working.
Normally, wow. And look at this. Okay, so this in the hallway, this is for like dirty clothes, like hampers, but we're not gonna use it for that. We're gonna use it for the air mattress. So we're so prepared for our guests. That's amazing. That's literally amazing. Thanks. Okay, so we are pretty much ready to go. I'm just wearing this juicy, like oversized sweatshirt, some like cool dorky socks, and just Nikes. And then my hair is up. Again, my hair is trash right now, but it's fine. Got a text. Just look at my home. It looks so good. It's so neat and clean and organized. Wow. Anyways, this is probably a better look at my outfit because you couldn't really see it before. I can't wait for this. Okay, for this all to be cleaned up. Well, say hello first.
Story time.
Let them know that you're here.
Hello guys, I'm filming for Kenzie.
Okay, guys, so weirdest thing just happened. So I normally drive with like this window down and this window down, like my sunroof down, if at all, right? So yesterday in my car, which I was stupid, but my car, we're like, we live in a house, but there's like a gated parking for us, right? So you can't get back there without a remote. So I, you know, just go park my car where it seems fitting in my own spot. And it's weird because all of my stuff for like hours yesterday was in the car. It was like my laptop, my everything. I was stupid. I just like totally forgot about it. I went and got it out last night, but we just got in my car and all of my windows are down and my sunroof is down. And I would have never put all my stuff down. And I remember yesterday because my one of my expensive purses was like right here on top of a bunch of stuff. And I was like, oh, I can't put, if I would have put that window down, it would have fallen out. And I literally wouldn't have, because this was so packed that everything would have fallen out. So I literally did not do that. What happened?
I have no idea.
Are they terrorizing me? That's actually really weird.
That is.
Anyways, I want to play some Paramore.
Kenzie, you're really being that girl.
Okay, that was my joke. I said it first, and I know.
Yeah, but it's more funny when it's like talking down.
Like someone else is there.
From behind the camera.
I know, it's fine. Coco's gonna come out of this and look so, well, honestly, she's probably gonna be bald, so she's not gonna look cute for a little bit.
Well, they gotta shave her face for her blueberry facial.
Oh, that's the other place. They postponed. It's not gonna be facial this time. But at the other place, it's at Health Spa or Dog Spa or something.
Sorry they gave up on you, Coco.
Yeah, sorry. Bone, sweet bone, she's gonna be like, where am I?
Bye, Coco.
Bye, Coco. Wow, the trash in my back seat looks great. That's good. It's not even trash, it's donations.
It's a great angle.
Year 3000, we're gonna shuffle it and see. This is our new favorite playlist by Holly Gillette Speed.
Jilly's pie.
Thanks for the memories. I'm gonna cry.
Baby, are you?
Sparks fly, it's like electricity.
We went to Jones for brunch, got Arnold Palmer, a lobster roll that was accidentally $30. Some cute little things. Yeah, it was accidentally $30. Back to Alfred's. I know, guys, I already know. I know.
Okay, don't get hit by that Prius. Did you get it?
Honestly, those would be cool. Just go like that, and we're more so like that. Maybe get cute. Guys, I got my Alfreds. Oh my gosh, I was waiting for the lighting to be good, and then as soon as it's good again, it goes to this. But
Good angle. I like this one.
I know you're finally in it. Normally when I vlog with Zach, I'm like, hey guys, what's up? Or like, you can't see you.
Just invisible.
But I got a cold brew with oat milk. Oat milk is a game changer. Oat milk has made the biggest difference in my life, and it's amazing. So, yeah. Got Coco. She looks a little crazy. Oh my gosh. So they gave her bows. These aren't the bows that I like love on her. Okay, no, not today, Coco. Move back here. So these bows are not the bows that I love on her. They're like funny. She just looks kind of like a circus clown or something, but you are so cute. We just took some pictures of my merch. I'm gonna crop this shirt. Yeah, I just got that when I went to Aspen. Cute, right?
I actually love it.
It's really cool. From Forever 21 for like $2. And I got a bright blue one. When you see the bright blue one, you'll love that one too. But I love that. This is the denim tee. I'm gonna crop it and it's going to be like cooler. I like shirts cropped, obviously. I don't know if you do, but I do. And then we have this shirt, which is just so freaking cute. I also have a Choose to Love t-shirt that it says Choose to Love all across, and then I'm gonna change into this, and I have a Choose to Love hoodie, and then I'm gonna change into this hoodie for today because I want to be comfortable, and it says Girl Boss Mix, and then it says Kenzie, and it's so cute. In my closet, this is not organized at all. I have to go through all that. I'm just dreading it, and this is also just not organized. But I'm gonna have like cute little things like this. I'm knocking out this candle, or probably this is probably going to my office. Again, my neon sign will be there, and then when you walk in my closet, to this side, I have a whole shoe rack, which I haven't unpacked all my shoes. I have a disgusting amount of shoes, but have all of that. Up there, I keep like my black boots, which they all look the same, and you can't even tell the difference. It's probably the worst shoes to keep up there, but I don't know. I feel like it kind of looks clean. I have a window there, which is so good for lighting, but honestly, my room is a little bit dim, so we're gonna move a mirror, or definitely gonna move a lamp in here. I'm wearing my Girl Boss Mix hoodie. Pick one up. Hannah, I'm definitely doing this. Here we go. Yeah. Oh. Non-focus, of course. There could literally be like a 10-minute compilation video of Kenzie Elizabeth complaining about the G7X not being focused. I got my Arnold Palmer, my second one of the day. We were actually talking about these. We're going to Home Depot so we can mount the TV. Yay. Buy my merch.
Oh, I know. I said when we were looking for places to find an Ace.
She did say that. We're at the hardware store. It smells like your typical hardware store. It almost makes you feel at home. Like, in a really weird way. In the hardware store, not knowing what I'm doing.
I think we're screwed.
Got some pizza for the night, some garlic bread, all for $11 with tip for all three of us. That's so good. The TV has been mounted thanks to @ZachDeck, but the cord for the TV isn't here, so we're thinking that's at my apartment. So yeah. That's that. I'm having a Super Bowl party on Sunday, so hopefully that all works out. Coco.
Oh, we gotta get her back.
Hi. You're just so cute. You look like a floating head. So good morning, cute. Everybody. It's Saturday morning. My eyes are watering right now. Oh my gosh. It's 10:30. I'm actually by myself for once. It's 10:30. I have been editing all morning, and I'm just going to grab some breakfast at the market and then come back and do my devotional. I literally have like 5 videos to edit. Oh, and I'm getting my hair done. I think I forgot to mention that yesterday, but I was complaining about my hair all day, and I was like, frick it. I'm just booking an appointment, and I'm gonna go. So I don't really know what I'm doing yet, but I'm doing something. Also, I just want to say shout out to Bose because they sent me this speaker forever ago, and this is honestly the first time I'm opening up just because I had so many speakers. But now that I have way more room, this is gonna come in handy so much because, like, obviously I want a speaker in every room. But yeah, thank you so much. This is amazing. For breakfast, I just picked up another RX bar. I just tried these at Alfred's and these are really good. So I picked up some of those. And then I also had to get like a cappuccino because their coffee was out, I think. And I'm new there. I was too afraid to ask and I don't even know if I'm gonna like it. The lid's kind of weird, but This looks like, oh my gosh, this looks like things I used to drink before I turned into a black coffee drinker. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna try it. It's good. It's just weird. Before, I would have been so into this, and now I'm like, I like feel myself being the people who used to judge me, you know? Guys, I love my room. Like, it's so cute. I have that. And then, like, it's not all set up. I'm setting up more today. Like, I have this window as I, like, do my devos right here. My new speaker. Like, I'm just so happy. You are the cutest thing ever. I went to go pick up a package and it wasn't there yet. I had to grab lunch because we still don't have a fridge, so I have literally no food here. Okay guys, I'm turning the AC off. It is now 3 p.m. I have, it's like 3:20. My brakes are making a really, really weird noise. I need to get that checked out. It's like, can things just chill for like a second? I don't know. Anyways, I am on my way to get my hair done. Oh yeah, forgot. My hair looks so much better. It looks like a lot shorter. I want to curl it. Kat is here.
Hey.
Are you hungry right now?
I can eat whatever. We can make something or go somewhere. What's wrong here?
We're trying to figure something out for dinner. Keep me posted.
Let's just eat Coco.
Okay, we're just gonna eat Coco.
She looks scrumptious.
No, Coco, you got groomed yesterday. I got a haircut. We got a new house. It's good. Guys, look at my new wall. You can't even see it.
What, that one?
Oh, also, Zach and Hannah are back. Thank God, it's been a hard 15 hours apart.
But we here.
We're back. They are angels and went to my apartment without me last night and got my cords. So we are setting up the TV tonight. Hung it up last night. Oh my gosh, this has been like the longest week of my life. Like, I'm like, that was only...
And beyond that, January has been the longest month of all of our lives.
January was a year, literally. Yeah, I'm mentally, I haven't left January yet. Also, Madison Beer's new album.
Is it good?
Yeah. Back at the Mart for the 50th time. Oh, extension cords? Okay. Right here.
Yeah.
But where's the single ones? We're back. Ooh, yeah. Perfect. Best news ever. Found my Apple TV remote. We're having some cable issues. Oh wait, this is not focused.
Issues. Not a single one.
Well, we're hooking up the cable and stuff because I'm having a Super Bowl party tomorrow. And the cable wasn't working and the Apple TV. It was this whole ordeal, but we found the Apple TV remote, which is good. Anyways, update on the boxes. That's all trash. And then these are all Justin's. So there's a lot more in the kitchen still, but we'll just ignore that. Normally that thing will be over here, but we gotta figure out how we're gonna like do all that over there. So for right now, it's there. And then we have this nice little rug here. Coco, I think, oh, she has a bone. Okay, that's fine, Coco. And then, okay. If you go into my room, some of the updates. See, this looks really cute. Okay, so these really don't need to be like that, but they just are for right now. Coconut in her bed. Super, super cute. My TV is not hooked up. I honestly don't even know where the cord is right now. This is my outfit. I honestly wish I could wear this outfit every day with white Nikes. That's pretty amazing. I added this lamp too, which my bulb, or my, whatever, lamp shade isn't, I don't know where that is right now, so it's just gonna stay like that. And then I plugged in that lamp. So the lighting is better. Oh, and I changed this to the white light, which is so much better than the yellow one. Okay guys, that is it for this vlog. Stay tuned for even more moving vlogs. I have a ton of stuff and packages and everything coming over the next like week, which I'm really excited for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I will see you soon.